What's good, nerds? MNQ on the 15 minute. We just created this range here, but I have this resistance zone marked out and support zone marked out. Looking to take buys above this resistance and sells below this support. If you look at the 1 minute, price was trending down on the 1 minute, but then we switched to bullish price action. So if we do break above this zone here, it would make sense to start looking for buys because the 1 minute trend would already be in place at that point. It's currently 8:52 a.m. No current setups as of now. Price is about to close on the 15 minutes, so I'm going to be looking for buys. Alright, cool. We just closed on the 15 minute. Yep. So looking for buys going into the 1 minute. We have this nice breakout. We have this zone right here that looks really good actually. Right here. Price can come back into this zone, retest, give some confirmation to buy. I will buy, target at 1-to-1, and let it ride. So I'll come back within a few minutes. I think I'm going to buy here. This looks pretty good. So let's set up an order. 1% price 23 to 4.50. I'm just gonna buy. It looks good enough. I'm gonna have to adjust that, so that's all the way up there now. Okay, yeah, so that is a bit far away from my zone, but I mean, it looks good. Drag my stop loss and take profit all the way down here. See what ends up happening. Alright, that was a crazy trade. I think news came out or something. Something happened, I think. Because that whipsawed back and forth real fast. It did stop me out. Now the sell stop did get triggered, and so that gave me a little win right there. But yeah, what a crazy and interesting trade. You know, we pushed down, came back up, pushed down. I thought I was gonna get stopped out right here, but we wicked all the way back up, came up back into profit, wicked all the way up here. If we could have just got a little bit more of a push, would have hit my target. And then we, the next candle ended up pushing down, and then, yeah, this is where it would have stopped me out at. I mean, the trade was fine, it just didn't work out. Maybe my entry was a bit too far away from the zone. If I had to pick anything out, even then, it's not that far away, but maybe I could have gotten a better entry over down here and that would have won. So, oh well, it is what it is. I'll take the L, and I'll have to document this inside my Notion journal. See you guys inside the next video. Alright, well, I'm back again. This looks like to be a fake out. So, and we broke below. So, on the 15-minute, this looks good. Going into the 1-minute, this also looks pretty darn good. So, I'm gonna wait for a retest of this zone here to then take a sell if it sets up. This is gonna be my last trade of the day if it does give me an entry. Alright, so I am looking to enter into this trade. We have a break and retest, just waiting to see if price gives me an entry signal to take a sell, which might get... Okay, that's pushing far. I'm gonna get this set up now. Risk 1%, 20, 221, 20, 221.75. This looks good. I'll sell it here now. Actually, I'll wait a second. Sorry. Looks good enough to me. Took that sell, placed my stop loss right here. Target is gonna have to go to a 1-to-1 right there. Let me just move this up. I gotta adjust all this. Cool. Yeah, this trade looks pretty good. I'm trying to see how this plays out now. Today is not a good day for trading. Wow, just got stopped out again. I tried, took buys, got stopped out, took sells, got stopped out. Alright, I'm done for the day. 2 trades, I'm out, I'm done. There's no point in trying to take any more. This price action doesn't want to comply, so whatever. Oh well.